Experience pristine wilderness and some of the best fishing the Yukon has to offer with Wilderness Fishing Yukon. Owners Bernard and Amanda Stalen take great pride in hosting memorable wilderness fishing adventures. Time and time again, guests rave about their Wilderness Fishing Yukon experience. A first-class, magical, and unforgettable wilderness fishing adventure.
Oh, the catch of the day today was lake trout over 20 pounds. Caught him on a little spoon about the size of my finger, and caught him actually just over there on that side of the lake. I didn't have to go very far.
Let Wilderness Fishing Yukon fly you to one of 9 secluded lakes, 60 to 115 miles north of Whitehorse, where with basic boating and fishing skills, you can enjoy some of the finest fishing in the world in the land of the midnight sun. These magnificent lakes, full of beautiful lake trout, northern pike, and exotic Arctic grayling, are nestled in the pristine wilderness of the Yukon River Basin.
Just want to recommend everybody that if you're going to go wilderness fishing, you need to come here where you can hear the silence.
Wilderness Fishing Yukon offers 9 fully equipped fishing camps. Not only will you have all the necessary amenities for a comfortable wilderness fishing vacation, you'll have the lake all to yourself. Anglers and nature lovers will enjoy the untouched Yukon wilderness at their own pace, with the people of their choice.
I'm up here with my buddy Steve. This is my 7th year going wilderness fishing, and it's our 4th year back here. We keep coming back here because of the beauty of the lake, the fishing's tremendous, and it's just a real special place.
There's an adventure for everyone. Experience the fishing. Hike to spectacular viewpoints. Search for local wildlife. Or just kick back, relax, and enjoy the beautiful surroundings. Let Wilderness Fishing Yukon place you in a setting more beautiful than words can describe, and experience an awesome Yukon fishing holiday. You'll come away with memories that'll make you smile for a lifetime, or at least until your next visit.